Draw, 1 round.
Just 1 round.
Combat reload, 1 round. Shooter ready?
Yes. Real slow.
6.8.
Wow. Need to practice that one.
Do again. Do again.
And all you got to do is just switch mags.
Oh, basically, yeah.
Yeah.
Because I got a round in, don't
So you can just practice that all day long.
Yeah.
Keep one fully loaded mag and an empty mag. And
Yeah. It'll keep feeding it, yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
6.8, huh?
All right. I want to see less than 5. You got this, boss man. Shooter ready?
Yep.
.7.
Does that gun not strip its own magazine? Will it not drop free?
Yep. Just habit.
Yeah.
Something I need to work on.
You want to do it again, boss? This is really good practice. Just to get the speed down of the reloading. It's really good kind of fundamental practice.
Yeah, it is, and you got data.
That's the biggest part, is the data.
It's not, I felt like that one was better.
Exactly. Shooter ready.
Ready.
Get some, Doc.
So,
5.6.
Like that.
Now
with a
is
lot of
that
guns.
45?
yeah.
Yeah, will that fit this holster? I don't know if
I do the workspace reload deal anyway. I bring it up to my face.
There
you mind if I try?
Oh, no, go ahead.
There you go. There's already
One in the round.
one in there.
Or
Okay.
one in there.
Let me grab one more round off of you.
What's our range? Combat distance?
Feet.
I don't know.
21?
15 foot?
21.
24 feet?
15. Whenever you are. Ready?
I was expecting a mag to come out. What was it?
5.77.
Oh, there wasn't a mag in it?
No.
Yeah, you had the rack.
I like this
Here.
gun. Thank you, sir.
.59.
I'm not used to that safety either.
Yeah.
I like that. All right, Spectre, on the command to fire, 1 round, combat reload, 1 round.
Beep.
Hold on a minute. You got a bee on your hand.
Ah, it's a bee.
Everybody good?
Yep.
Dude, it didn't record it. I might have my hand over it.
It's okay, I bobbled the draw anyway.
And hey, don't look down at that mag pouch.
I know, I did.
All right,
You ready?
Yep.
on the... Oh,
1.60, 6.63.
hey, Spectre,
Yo.
on the command to fire, 1 round, combat reload, 1 round.
Where?
Shooter ready?
We're on the
Going
command
off
to beep.
this, yeah.
Yeah,
On the command to beep, right?
on the command to beep, yep.
Oh, okay.
This is the boss.
All right.
You good?
Yep.
That's 4.47.
I think I missed.
1.82, 4.52.
Ready? Oh, wait a minute.
What?
I hit the button again.
Did you?
Yeah.
That is a freaking awesome run, dude. You got it in 0 seconds.
Dude, I'm a beast. You ready? Call Guinness.
Fuck.
Shooter ready.
.4.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Wanna go again?
Oh yeah, let me swap mag. See if it's consistent.
4.9. I was just resetting the machine. No, he
slipped a
decided to
little
go.
We can get another one under 5.
Shooter ready. .3.
I mean, shit happens, but
Come on, Wombat.
Shooter ready. .4.
okay.
Now, just
4.4 is
just an idea, but I know whenever they taught us there at the academy, and then our SRT guys, whenever you shoot and you're reloading, get into the habit of not staying static.
Yeah.
You want to move. So when you reload, if it's just a sidestep somewhere,
move around.
just move.
Yeah.
Yeah, just get into the conscious effort of moving your body when you reload.
Yeah.